Flows are conversational sequences that define structured paths for your bot. Unlike Q&A responses in the knowledge base, which handles single questions, flows let you build structured, multi-step conversations. A typical flow can collect information from the user like name and email, perform logical conditions, call external APIs, book a calendar appointment, send a confirmation email, and much more. Let's look at a quick example. Click on Create New Flow, enter the flow name, and click Create. Set up the trigger text. The bot asks for some information, the user responds, and we save the variable. You can immediately test the flow through the chat room